Review Hub. Brand name, RAYKUBE. RAYKUBE Model, K12. Smart Home Platform, Tuya. Power Supply, built-in rechargeable battery. Fit door thickness, 35 to 55 millimeters. Doorknob function, biometric, key, and keypad. Connectivity, Wi-Fi. Material, zinc alloy. Handle direction, direction reversible. 3D face recognition, yes. Battery, 2,500 milliliters rechargeable lithium battery. Ways to unlock, face recognition, app, mechanical keys, card, Wi-Fi, password, fingerprint. Suitable door type, steel door, wooden door, brass door, stainless steel door. Other, special features, built-in doorbell, built-in camera, built-in peephole. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Check description below for product link.